We begin by opening SPSS and loading our GSS dataset. Again, we are working with A. And this time we want to produce the 3 measures of central tendency that we talked about in this chapter. Going along with the instructions, click on Analyze. Again, descriptive statistics, what we've been doing before. And then on frequencies. We want to work with 2 different variables. One is email hours, or the email hours per week. So let's find this one first. Email hour. And the other one is TV hour. TV hours. Now we just open statistics. And here you can see we have all kinds of choices of what we can click on. If we want the mean, the median, the mode, so the central tendency. Later, when we do standard deviations and variances, we have those choices right here. But right now, all we're interested in is the mean and the median and the mode. So then we click Continue and then OK. And now you can see we get our frequency table again, the one we discussed in the previous chapters, right? For hours per day watching TV, and also email hours. But what we're really interested here now is the measures of central tendency. So here you can see we got, this is the first variable, this is the second variable, and here we have the mean and the median and the mode for each of those variables. Just by looking at the frequency table and just by looking at the variables themselves, you know that both of these variables are interval ratio. So now which one do you think is the appropriate measure of central tendency? Remember again, for interval ratio, it is the mean. But you can see, you can click on all of them. So the computer is going to give you whatever it is you're clicking on. That doesn't necessarily mean that it's the correct measure of central tendency. So it's still up to you to select the appropriate measure.